Hi, I'm Grace and welcome to ICO Investor. In today's video, I'm gonna show you through the Binance NFT Marketplace. I'll leave the link to it in description so you can check it out. I'm not a financial advisor. The video is for informational and educational purposes only. Binance launched its NFT market on 24th of June, 2021. For who don't know about NFTs, this is a non-fungible token and common cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, are interchangeable, but NFTs are very unique. Each unique token can carry digital content, and NFTs offer the opportunity to own a specific copy of digital art, music, or collectibles. When you open the link in description, it will take you to the Binance homepage directly. In order to buy something on Binance NFT Market, you must have an account in Binance. It is necessary to deposit funds into the account and exchange them Ethereum for Binance Dollar, and I'll show you how to do it right now. Once you open the NFT section, you can see all the collections, including the trending ones and the recommended out of them. So if you like an NFT and you are willing to buy it, let's choose this for example. You have two options: either place a bid and wait till its auction ends, or you can buy it instantly for a higher price. You can also buy mystery boxes from the mystery boxes section in the same way I showed you before. Eventually, you will be able to create your own NFTs on Binance NFT Marketplace, and this process is called minting. However, this option is intended only for artists who have been pre-selected by Binance within the 100 Creators and Innovative Creators program. So thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to give us a like. Make sure to add any comments with questions that I may have not covered, and subscribe to our ICO Investor channel so you can get other great content like this one that will help you in your cryptocurrency journey. Don't forget to look at the links in description, and that's all for now. Thank you for being here.